In this video, we're going to bring this design to life in Framer. It's an entire website redesign from Danko's original website. I redesigned it and we're going to templatize it on Framer. So let's get started. The way that I'm going to do it is copy paste from Figma with the plugin Figma to HTML with Framer, and we're going to make it responsive. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the navigation bar. So that's on auto layout. And then we're going to do Figma to HTML with Framer. Then we're going back, Command V or Control V if you are on Windows. Now I'm just gonna take this color to change it here. We can add a style, say it's a background. Then this one here, I'm gonna do fixed 1200 and then give it from the top 12, right 12, you know what, 12 everywhere I guess, or maybe not. So that's gap 0 and we're gonna change it to space between. Now we have it. Let's say 15. 15 seems good enough. Now you see this is not very well centered, and the way we can arrange that is just by adding a frame here and change it like this, and then perhaps 75, and then just remove it. Now it feels more, yeah, now it's perfectly centered. Not even that much. I'm just gonna put it 70. Next, I want to add this one here. This is the shape. Plugin Figma to HTML with Framer. Past. Then we have it here. So I'm just gonna add a layout to the desktop. And then I'm gonna call this navbar. This one here is the logo. This one here is the nav links. Now this is the shape, and what we're gonna do is give it an absolute position, and then 0 from the top, 0 from the bottom. What we're gonna do is put it right here on the top. Perfect. Now we're gonna add those small light shapes. I'm gonna group them and then I'm gonna copy them. Perfect. Light. Again, we're going to do fixed position. For this one is going to be fixed. Not even. We're going to do absolute because, oh, okay, well, yeah, this one is absolute. Why? Is because if we do fixed and we scroll, the light is going to stay here on top of the screen, and we don't want that. We want that only on the hero section. So let's keep going. Now we have this here. That's an auto layout. Figma to HTML with Framer. Come back here. Select desktop, Command V. Alright. Let's call this hero container. Alright. For the newsletter though, we have to actually make it something real. So what we can do is either you can create it from scratch. The way that I want to do that is just like as simple as possible with form spark. And then hide name, hide message. Okay. me see if that's it's possible to change things. Okay, so that will be and then the text is gonna be black. We cannot do, yeah, so I'll figure out something for the sake of the template, because I want it to be the same thing as this, and I'm going to do it from scratch with code, but I don't want to waste any more time with the video, so let's just move forward and I'll come back to that later on. Okay, so like we have it, so let's just, can I lock it? Yes, perfect. Shape lock, Command L. Okay, got it now. Perfect. So what we want to do is add a container, okay, to center everything in here, and we're gonna do that by adding a wrap, a stack, I mean, but we're gonna call it container, and then we're gonna do max, so that would be fill with max width of 1100 pixels. And then we're gonna add this one here, so that's Figma to HTML with Framer. Then Command V inside the container. So that will be change the direction on of the container. This one, the lights, what we're gonna do actually is to give the Z index 0. Yeah, got it, okay. So the container, I'm gonna do Z index. I'm just gonna put it 2. So now we have everything on top of the shape and so on. All right, 25. So let's get started here. I'm gonna do 45. We see here we have some space, so we can say that this one here, it's gonna get 45 or even 55 overall here, okay? So now we have like a small spacing here. Perfect. Then moving on, this one, Figma to HTML, good to go. I'm just gonna change, click on desktop, click on hide, do fit content. Moving on. So this one here, so this one and this one, we can add an auto layout together. We can name it course cards. All right, then same thing, Figma to HTML. Click on container, Command V. Now we have it. Moving on, I'm just gonna put this here, remove from doc, quit this one. Okay, perfect. So add an auto layout here, auto layout here, auto layout for this one here. So now we have second section, or even third section, but anyway, just get the point here. Figma, come back, container. So we see now the spacing is not really the same, as you can see, but the way I'm gonna actually make this work is just to add padding from the top of 40. Even that would be 60. So 60 everywhere, 60 on the bottom as well. Now we have something interesting here, okay? You see this one here? How do we do it? Simple. We're just gonna select the shape. First the shape, okay. I'm gonna do plugin Figma to HTML with Framer, and then I'm gonna add it inside of the second section. We can do fill content because the container is set to a max width. If we make it bigger, everything will stay centered. All right. Now, if we passed the shape here, that will be here, and then we're gonna put it absolute position, right? And then what we're gonna do is this one here, let's say cars wrapper, Z index 2. Now let's title wrapper. We can bring the shape out of here, make it similar to and yeah, do the same thing here for course card, Z index 2. So now this one is on the bottom. Next, we're gonna take the light. Can call it light here. You see, it's very repetitive at the end of the day. It's very simple once you have the design on Figma. Past. Now we have the light, absolute position, and we're gonna give it the same. You know what? Just like drag it. Alright, now if we, just to make sure, how does that look in, yeah, perfect. And we can even give that a max position, like will stay somewhere, but I like the way that it is like this, like it still keeps the width of the screen and make it perfect. Alright, moving on. This one here, we can do it for, and then we are here. So the blog, so this one, okay, this one auto layout, this one auto layout, and this one auto layout together as well. Alright, then Figma to HTML. That will be blog section. Okay, that will be again title wrapper, label card. That's section wrapper. Latest blog post. Content wrapper. Label CTA. Then this one is more blog posts. One. I'm just gonna name it 1, 2. Nothing fancy here. Text container. I just like to give proper name. I'm gonna make it work afterward with the CMS collection. I'm gonna make it work with those pictures and so on. But now is just to have the entire layout good to go. Oh, actually, this one. CTA plugin Figma. Click on the first section wrapper, past. So that will be. And here what we're gonna do is just click on center. Now we have it. Also, we see is the same thing here. So we have the same logic. I'm gonna take the ellipse and the shape. So that's the shape here. Plugin Figma to HTML with Framer. And I can just basically copy paste this one, but this is just for the sake of keeping the same workflow. So that will be fill. And now I will paste it here. Absolute position. I'm using my keyboard to move it around. And then I'm just gonna take section wrapper here, add a Z index, Z index, Z index. 2. Now we have it on top of the shape. Where was it here? It was a little bit more on top. Got it. So that will be kinda here. And then same thing for the shape. For the light, we take it, plug in Figma to HTML. Come here, block section, past. Can call it light. Absolute position. Bruh. Move, move, move. Was it a little bit? Yeah, the circle is. Oh shit. My bad. Yeah, the shape is kind of just like. Yeah, like this. And then the light is kind of like this. Okay. Perfect. Now we add this one here. So that's a. I'd say this is another section. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna take the entirety of this one here as an auto layout. And then I'm gonna copy. Then I'm gonna pass on the container. That's the footer container. What we have here. Okay. Why don't I have... Okay, I don't even have the font Roboto. I thought it was Google one. Okay, have to change it. Oh, what is going on here? Oh, okay. That's a problem. I understand what's going on. Add a stack. Then do the pass. Got it. So stack is gonna be fill. And then we're gonna give it 60 from the top, 60 from the bottom. And add a gap of 45. So that's together here, add stack, fit content, fit content. Now we have, we only need again the shape. So the shape, where is it? You know what? We don't need this one. Okay, shape footer, plugin, Figma to HTML, come back, add it into, so that's opt-in wrapper, and that's footer. And we can add the shape, absolute position. We can do those together here, fit, and then add a Z index, Z index. Okay. And then this one. Damn, bro. Alright. Bring it to the bottom. Is it? Yeah, okay. Yeah, what we're gonna do is $60, $60. So we don't need 60 here. And now we can. Was it here? Yeah. Okay. It was quick. 20 minutes to design, like develop an entire page here on Framer. So next up, what we're gonna do is create the other screen sizes. Okay, so actually I'm gonna just max width of 350 pixels. Okay, yeah, this one is messed up. Why is it doing this like this? Footer, stack. I don't get it. What the hell? Okay, I guess that's because of the absolute position, which is kind of messed up. Shape of the footer is messing around. I don't know what is happening here. Okay. What the fuck? I have to fix this. What is going on here? Okay, max width, got it. That will be so basically. Got it. Okay, now it's supposed to be perfect. Yeah, it doesn't move now. Okay, perfect. Let's get going. But you know what? I want to fix the CMS collection right now. I'm gonna do it right now so you can understand how to make it work. Okay, so I'm gonna create a CMS collection. I'm gonna call it blog. Yeah, just for the sake of having everything here. I'm just gonna come back home and we're gonna add a CMS collection. Yeah. Okay, so we have two components here. The first one are this one actually is on the top. So we have the latest letter, and that will be with the one that was published, the last one, like the last one published basically. If we change the date to 2024, what the fuck, 24 April, today. Okay, that's today. And then let's say 2024 April 1. April. I cannot pronounce April the right way. Oh my goodness. Let me just do something here to match it. Okay. Go. He changed the title. Okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna take the picture here. Whatever. CMS collection, picture, choose image, desktop. Okay. What we're gonna do also is going to the filter and do actually no, that's not the right filter that I want to do. Yeah, limit to 1. Okay, that will be always the first one, right? And we want to design it the same way that we did here. So we have to go here. That's cover, and we're gonna change the order. We're gonna add this one here, label. Come here, past it. I'm gonna put that in a stack. That's wrapper text. Okay, then do this. Yeah, that's okay. Fit content. I'm gonna do fill. And then how much is that? 26? 26. Okay, heading to. Alright. No worries about the date. I'm gonna remove it. And I'm gonna add this small CTA here. Alright, then we're gonna add fill. I'm gonna pick the color here. Then I'm gonna change this real quick to white. And we can see the settings here. So if we click on latest blog, you can see that we have 25 from the top, 25 from the bottom. So that's 25, and then we have 35 from the left. And this one is, I'm just gonna make it like this, and then the width, the height is gonna be fill, and the width is gonna be 350 pixels, let's say. Okay. I don't like it this way. Okay, got it, got it. So I'm gonna remove this top and bottom. I'm just gonna keep the left, and then inside the stack, then we're gonna add the 25 from the top. Or even that, no. Wait a sec. Wrapper, yeah. We're gonna add it on the wrapper. 25 here, 25 on the bottom. And that's not over. How much? What's the text? The width. What is it? 322. Okay, 322. 320. Let's say 320. All right. Then the wrapper text. Yeah, I guess. And just put it here. We're gonna add the shadow. Can I copy it? Why? Damn, bro. So, I mean, there's something. Oh, okay, yeah, that's why. So it's fill. No, even. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay, now we have something here. Then something is missing, which is that's yeah, whatever. Yeah, the description is missing. That's exactly what's missing. So we're going to the CMS collection and we're gonna add. So to do that, you go here, edit field, and then we're gonna add plain text. Oh, the description is here, by the way. Okay, got it. What is the description? Is it on the bottom? What the hell? Oh, no, that's not right. So, got it. And then I'm gonna be here. So if we take this one, the description is okay. Now we have it. So we go back. We can add text. And then we have to connect everything. So set variable description, right? Then this one, title is already here. So we can CTA. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, okay, perfect. Now, small step here. We have to give it radius 12. Alright, then we have to give it a shadow white. You can just write white and then give it blur 30. What is going on here? Wait a sec. This is not what we want. We want on the collection. Is that it? No, it's not. Yeah, on the collection list. No, I don't. Why? Did I do something wrong here? Yeah, I did something wrong. So it's not on the left of the collection list that we should do that. It's on the stack. 35 left. Now that's perfect. Now we can add the shadow. White. 35. I I don't think that's it. Why is mix? Okay, so it's 35 4. Yeah, I guess that's it. Oh, yeah, I understand. Shadow, if I click here, how much? 16%. Got it. 16%. I'm gonna take 15. Or even 12. There's a small problem here. Going to the collection, remove the fill. I'm gonna add it on the stack. Okay, wait a sec here. And then we can add the radius on the stack as well. So that's 12. Now we got it. And we can get rid of the obsolete. Okay, next one is, oh yeah, no, there's small tweak here that I want to do. Let's say 35, I guess. 35 as well from the top. Yeah, now it seems better, but I want to add like a small gap. Say 25. Yeah, seems good now. Or not that much. Let's say, you know what? 15. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, now same thing for those years. So we have to redesign this, but in a different position. So what I'm gonna do is take the collection list. Let's say this is latest blog. Okay, then we're gonna duplicate this and put it here. All right. Then what are we gonna do? Change the filter to 2, limit to 2, and then change the direction. Right? Then you know what? Let me just do this like this. Fix one first, and then we're gonna start doing things up. Okay, so we move this on the top. We change the direction of this one here. Then we going to put this at fill. Then we're gonna change the padding of the stack to 0, and then we're gonna remove latest letter. Then we're gonna add 25 from the right, 25 from the left. And then what we're gonna do is give a max width to the stack. How much is that? Let me see. 414. So let's give it fixed width. You know what? Yeah. Fit, and then max width will be this one, like this. Then we're gonna change this to fill. The wrapper to fill. Change everything to fill. This is what I'm trying to say here. There's something wrong. Fit content. The image. Okay, now we have something. And we just gonna add 2 because this doesn't have a description, and we're gonna fix it. Okay, so we just can click here, gonna remove, just gonna reduce it to 15. Makes sense. Let me take another of his picture here, save image as Okay, so I'm just gonna take this picture. Oh, another filter to do. Yeah, I forgot about that. So you click on the latest blog, you add a filter, and that will be, yeah, got it. That's exactly what I wanted to do. Okay, now, okay, how can designer prepare for the future? Got it. Create landing page from grain. What is going on? Build navigation component with variables. Where is it? Yeah, it's kind of all messed up. So what I'm gonna do is just create titles here. That will be 2024, bruh. 03 28. Good. This one 2024 03 27. And this one I'm just gonna get rid of it. Futuristic skill stack. And then we have the value creator, value equation. Okay. Okay. Yeah, there's a problem here. It starts at 2. Okay, let me see. There's no limit. If I do no limits, what's up? Grid. Yes, that's exactly what I want. And then we add the filter on the offset. Okay, I guess that's the offset. It start at 1 and then just move on to the next one and you get rid of the first one. So that's perfect. And we just can add the picture here. So this is future skill stack. And then the last one was, yeah, this one here. Okay, and I just oh shit, I delete this one because we don't need it. Just need 3 for the example. So now we can delete this here. What is going on? Mike's width of, let's say, okay, perfect. So let's say with 100, 880 seems good enough. If we click on read more letters, that will bring us to the blog page that I'm gonna link afterward. So yeah, let's just keep moving on. Yeah, this one is Z index 2. We have to create a component for the nav bar, and we have to create a component for the button. CTA. Alright. So do insert. Where are the assets? Forgot how to add an asset. That's crazy. Oh yeah, assets are here. Okay, button. Could be get the book. Get my book. Oh, no, get the book. Okay. Can remove this one. You can click on the component and then add link here. Click link, create a variable. Open a new tab. And then when you are here and you click on it, you can just add the link directly here to your external page. And then same here. I'll do that. Change. Get the planner. Same here. But I will do fill. Change to enroll. Get rid of this one. Fill. You see how lazy I am? Alright. Same here. Oh shit. What was it? The CTA, I forgot. Get Cortex. Okay. Okay. We are ready to move on to the next stage. Before that, I have to actually create, you know what, and I'm gonna add a fill. So that will be the background color. And then, oh, you know what, no, that's gonna fuck up. Yeah, it's gonna mess up everything because we need this one here. Perhaps that could be still something. Yeah, I have an idea. So I'm gonna do a fill, which will be and then this one is gonna be like this. Okay. $20, $20, $25, and then we're gonna add filter background blur, and that's gonna be no border. What the hell, bro? Yeah, background blur. Let's say 20. You click on fixed, just for the sake of seeing. The fuck? What the hell? Yeah, give me 10. Okay. Yeah, perfect. And to fix this, what we're gonna do is just add padding top on the desktop 120 or 100. Yeah, perfect. And we can drop down the opacity to make this even more. Let's say 10%, the other one 12%. We go back, we try. Yeah, here we have it. And after I'm gonna add the an effect that make the navigation disappear while we scroll. That's perfect for blog as well. Okay, now moving on to the responsiveness. As you're gonna see, it's not that complicated because we only need to. We're gonna add. So we do this before adding the phone, and I'm gonna explain why after. Okay. Long story short, just to avoid doing it again and again, when we add after we edit here, it's gonna inherit the change that we did here, so we don't have to change again for the phone. So let me add. So I'm gonna name this desktop. I'm gonna add a variant that will be tablet. You know what? Mobile, yeah, mobile. That's okay. And then I'm gonna give it a width of 390 pixels. Then this one is gonna change direction. So mobile, I'm gonna keep this like this. The button, I'm gonna remove it. And I forgot to add this, so what I will do is I need to add frame. I'm just gonna draw that, so that's 20 pixels to, let's say, you know what, 20, 25-ish. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna duplicate that. I'm gonna add a stack. Mobile menu. Alright. And then that's perfect. Fit content. Maybe even like just slightly like this. Alright, perfect. So that's one. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add it here. On desktop we do invisible. When we come here, become visible. I'm just gonna work on dark mode so it's better for me. So this one here, what is this? Oh, okay, I understand. This one needs to change direction. Yeah, I'm gonna add a fill, I guess. I forgot how to do it. That's crazy. Wait a sec. If I do it like this. Oh yeah, I know how to do it. Got it. We go on desktop, and on the logo, by the way, the logo should have a stack. And that will be logo wrapper, just for the sake of having a link, okay? And that will be basically homepage. And then we add another stack. I'm gonna see here. Wrapper, link, menu. No, wrapper, logo, I guess. Whatever. Logo wrapper, container. What happened here? Okay. Yep. So now we have this here like this. Then we can do fill. We can do space between. And then this one, We can do fill as well. And now we have it. I'm gonna remove the padding. I'm just gonna add padding from the top, 35 or 25. Okay, then let me see what is popping with this one here. Visible. I'm just gonna okay. Then we're gonna do that's mobile opened. I mean closed because yeah, okay. I understand now. That will be fixed. Then we're gonna do 35. We're gonna do enough. 58. Okay, and then we just do hide, visible, and visible. And when we do opened, so that's mobile opened, okay, we gonna change this one here. So let's say that's top, that's bottom. We gonna add an effect, rotation. No, I mean just like change the rotation basically. And there's a problem here. So the problem is we have to add a padding. So let's say 15 or 12. No, that's 20 pixels. 20 pixels. 20 pixels. Okay. Then yeah, so this one minus 28, I guess. I'm gonna just put it absolute position and yeah, make it work. So that's 48. That's 48. Okay, that's, I don't like it. 46. Yeah, I guess that's perfect. I mean, okay, 46, 46 seems to do it well. Alright, then we have to actually create the animation. So we move that to interaction, new transition, tap. Can just drag it here. And if we tap again here, we can drag it. Bruh. Okay, but we have to open this by clicking visible and by clicking here visible too. Where is the visible? Okay, got it. But we also have to change the height to fit, and then that's normally gonna work. We can also add you know, go here, do click here, and then put it into opacity. What is the opacity here? Yeah, okay, to 0. Same with the button, opacity 0. Then let's see now. Oh, that's not changing shit, bruh. Okay. Let me change that to mobile closed. Do 100%. Let me just try that here. Yeah, I don't like it, man. Like, bruh. Let me just try something here. Put it visible. Um, if I try this one here, would it change something? Okay, yeah, that's doing something for me. Okay, perfect. That's better. Moving on. So we're just gonna start tweaking everything, and by to start, we're gonna have to add a padding inside the container. So I like to do 20, 20 from left and right. And when we see that things are collapsing, what we have to do is just change everything. I'm gonna log the ratio of the cover here. I'm gonna do fill. What I was gonna do is change the like make it fit together. And here you have the book that is kind of messed up. Okay, and we can make it work. Let's say you want to make it a little bit bigger, so just let's say change the direction to change the unit to fixed, and then I will just make it a little bit bigger. So that's, yeah, so that will be fill. Okay, and then yeah, that's perfect. I'm just gonna change that to, so you see here what's going on is because these are not set to fill. That's what happens most of the time when you don't have a proper set, like is it fixed or is it fill or fit content. Okay, you have to put it to fill so that we can have um, the proper alignment. And then we can change here the sizing 28. This one, yeah, we can keep it 16, seems good enough. And then we move on. So same thing here, fill, fill, and do fill as well here. So on the right 75, let's put it to 45 now, or even, yeah, okay, 20, 30, okay. I don't like orphans, so when you have only one words, we try to avoid it as much as possible. And here we have like, perhaps is, yeah, I think it's good enough, like good. We do fill, and this one what we're gonna do is like change to stack, I mean keep stack and just change the direction. Okay, and we're gonna click on, I'm just gonna rename it card and do fill, center everything if you want, even like you're not forced to, you know what, I'm just gonna center everything here because we don't need to put it bigger and so on just for the sake of having everything aligned, because at the end of the day it is still perfect the way it is like this. Same here, I'm gonna click here, fill, change direction, center, and put 25 gap. perhaps here I'm gonna do 30 now and 30 on the bottom, so we can just click. Perfect. This one is already good. I don't need to change it. This one, yes, I need to change it. Fill. Okay, you see that everything is kinda messed up. Perfect. We only need to, yeah, so this one here, fit content is alright. I only need to make this one responsive. So basically that's fill. Oh, I understand. Fill. Okay. Can still keep it absolute position. So I'm gonna add a stack, remove this. So that's solid. I'm just gonna take it. What I'm doing here, just recreating the label because I did something just like so lazy that I have to fix it here. Okay. I'm just gonna delete the form here, basically. Yeah, I'm gonna do it here. So yeah, stack and then add a border. Layout. Let's fill. This one is position absolute. Okay, now we have something here. This one is start here. Padding 20. Yeah, we're good with the padding. 12, 15. And then I just need to give it a radius, which was 12. No, not the newsletter, the stack. No, not even. So that's like 8, 6 or 8, 6. Alright, then, yeah, now it's good. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's kind of messed up here, but it's okay. I'm just gonna do fill. Oh, shit. Why is this not working? Alright, I guess that's how I'm gonna do it. So that will be 10, 12, 15. And then this one we can alright. Now we're going to do the mobile version. I mean the phone version per se. Oh, that's messed up. Alright. I'm gonna start fixing those things here. So the problem here is the padding, inside padding. So we're gonna start fixing everything just by checking the paddings. So 0, 0, no, that's not it. We're gonna change the direction first and foremost. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna name this like text container cover. So I'm gonna log the ratio, do fill. Alright. Then click on the wrapper here, add 2020. And then we're gonna add the right text container. Okay, click on text container. That's 25. We're gonna add 20 everywhere. That's not enough, so let's say 35 here, 25 on the left, 25. Okay, I guess that's perfect. So here, fill, yeah. Okay, so the problem here, problem, it's not really a problem, I'm just gonna do 0. And yeah, also what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this here, which is yeah, I had to put it together. That's opt-in. I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna pass it here to get rid of the first one. Okay, perfect. Now we have something responsive to get together. I guess I just have to move it around. .8. This one, so yeah, the stack, the height 40. Opt-in, visibility, where is, yeah, overflow, visible, that's perfect. Okay, shit is lagging. Alright. Okay, same thing here. What I want to do for this one though on mobile is change the direction, and this one put it to relative, and so this one's gonna be fit content now. The stack is gonna be 45 pixels or less. Yeah, perfect. Then this one is gonna be fill. Yeah, that's way better. Okay, now same thing here. So we come to, okay, Foki. And then we're going to click on, yeah, leave it like that. Change the direction. So that's cover, log the ratio, and just change to fill. It's okay because I'm gonna remove this here. Now we have it. Same thing though. So here, text wrapper, we add 25 everywhere, and I'm just gonna put it 35 on the bottom, or was it 45? 35. Okay, perfect. Yep. But there's way too much space on here. That was 20. Okay, that's why 20. And then I can put back 25 here. But even that doesn't seem to me. Those could be component, so we can just use the same thing all over again, because we can use it again and again and again, and you don't have to create it from scratch every time. So to do that, we go to the desktop version, click on create component, and let's call it product card. Okay, so that's primary one. And then you just give a variable to everything. So title of product. Okay, this one, description. This one, self-explanatory. We don't need to do anything, so you can just like call it CTA, a link, create a variable for the link. You're good to go. So that's first one. Then you have another variation. Variation will be left aligned. What's that is just the other way around. So we take this, we put it here, click here, left, put 0, and then I'm just gonna put 25 or 35 even, and then reduce that to 45. Here you have it. Then we got the other way around. But you know what? This one here, it's kind of problematic because I just did that as a fancy thing because I'm gonna add animation, but you can still change on your way. Like, it's that simple. If you do this for this one, let's call this one, you know what? Product card, rename. Let's call product card animated. Alright. And let's call this one just product card, not animated, because it's simple. It's a cover. That's it. So this one, create image, cover. Damn, what the fuck? Wait a sec. Yeah, I was wrong. Cover because I did a color, but that's not it. Font, variable, plain text, title, then description. Same thing here. Okay. Now let's say you want to just create another like this. You just go to asset, product card. Oh shit. And you drag it. And then let's say you change here my new book, right? Description, my new description. The CTA, get my new book. And you can add the link directly here. And the image, if I do clear, cannot. So let me just pick one for the sake of the example. And you see here, done. 30 seconds for a new product. As simple as that. Same thing for this one here. Can create a component. That's what I'm gonna do. But let me just finish everything here, okay? Alright, so that's gonna be fill. Oh, okay, I understand what is happening here. Okay, good way is to just create a variant, and that will be mobile, because we did, yeah, perfect. that will be 390 pixels. Change the direction, cover here, and remove this, lock the ratio, fill. You know what, that's like 220, or yeah, that's perfect. 260, perfect. And then move the book here. That will be text container. I have to put it to fill and change everything to fill. This one would be fill as well. And then I'm gonna add 25. Okay, perfect. Then this one is gonna be 25 is good. 18 is good, but I'm gonna put it 16. Okay, mobile. Then on the bottom of this one, 135. Even more. Let's give me 45. Perfect. And then we just change that to mobile. That's it. And the Folky planner, we can do the same thing here. Mobile. Same boring thing. Like this. 30, 90 pixels. Cover. Fill. And then remove here the padding, and we can give it like 280 as the other one. Text wrapper, fill. I can do fill for this one because, you know, we can create it to create others and it has to be optimized, so I'm gonna do it this way. 25 and then bottom 45, and this one, remove it. Yeah, 25 for this one. Alright, then we have it again. Yeah, I don't like the name, so that will be primary. So fill, perfect. Course cards. Fill. It's so simple. You just have to actually, I mean, change everything to fill. That's it. It's as simple as that. Right. Fill. So this is actually crazy here. Fill. Let's say, dude, I'm just gonna reset everything for the sake of doing everything from the start. Text wrapper. So that's 28 for mobile, 25. 28, let's say 28. 16. And then we can do it again. So 25 from everything, and then 45 bot. Bruh. Why, man? 25. 25. 25. Alright. You know what? 20 on here, 20 here. Sounds good. Next one. Fill. Fill, 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 fill. 28. I'm gonna do that 100%. Card. Cover. So what's that here going on here? Yeah, 25 is good. That's odd though. Oh, yeah, that's the problem here. 25, so that's 35 here. Perfect. 16. 28, that's good. I'm gonna change everything after. Okay, so this one, Command L, just wanna, oh, what the fuck? Command L, is that it? Yeah, I don't know why it's not working anyway. Thirty-two seems good. 18, let's put it 16. And then, yeah, let's put 25 for this one here. Alright, then card wrapper is good, so card. Anyway, this is actually, the exact same thing. So like now I'm just repeating myself, and you don't have to do it because it's gonna be all component, and yeah, you don't need to redo everything because this is basically copy paste. So yeah, I'm just gonna, it's not that complicated. I'm just gonna do the same melody here. So fill, 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 fill. 28, 18. What is going on here? Build your second brain, Roboto. 16. Bro. Cover. I mean, what the hell? Oh, it's because this is too big, I guess. I just fucked everything here, basically. Okay, so let's just fill. I guess that's good. Okay, perfect. And now this one, 35, 45, 25, 25, so 2020 seems good. 2020. Same bullshit. You must be bored by now. But this is the way, man. This is the way. It has to be boring sometime. Otherwise, we cannot get better. If you don't work, you don't get to get the result. You don't get to get the results. I mean, the reward. 35, 20. And even that, it's kind of. So I'm just gonna change that to, because I don't want to really break my mind with that. So 100, I guess. I'm just lazy as hell right now. You don't need to do that, right? It's just like because I was so lazy to resize the picture on Figma. I just copy pasted everything. If you see like my previous videos. All right, so this one kind of, I'm just gonna lock this. All right. Uh, so this one 38, 32. This one 16. And this is pretty much done for us. Well, so what I'm gonna do is change the direction. So this is going to be 300 pixels. Stack, remove that. Lock in the ratio and then just do fill. And then put it on top of everything. Do 20 here, or even like 0, because we're going to use that at our advantage. So 20 on the right, 20 on the left. And the magic recipe, fill everything. So everything has been filled already, so we're good to go for this one. Then coming here, change the direction to stack, and then we're going to just to change one. So we need only to change one. Fill, put that to 0. So let's fill. Yeah, that's perfect. That's it. Fill. Perfect. So actually I'm gonna change that. With the asset component button. What? What is going on? Oh, okay, no problem. I can live with that. So that will be 400 pixel maximum. Change the CTA to read more letters. Same song. So we're going to change the direction. And then this one cover. Put it here. Lock-in ratio, fill. Change, just remove this. And actually put it a little bit smaller, so that's like 320. The book, I'll put it here. Okay, then 20. Yeah, 25 is good. Just gonna come back here, remove everything here. Takes a wrapper. Then there's gonna be 25 everywhere. Yeah, that's good. That's 28. Roboto. $16. And then this one gonna be fair. Okay, that's actually good. What is going on? Oh, okay, I understand. So that's that. That's relative. And that's because I need to give it a fixed position, fixed width, 32 pixels. On the newsletter, that's gonna be fit content. The opt-in is gonna be fit content. And then the stack is gonna win to be. Wait, there's a problem here. Oh yeah, there is it. Okay, so this one was it 40? Yeah, 40. Yep, so that would be fill. Perfect. We can put it to center so it matches this. Then this one's gonna be fill as well, or bottle. Bold. I don't know why it's doing like. I'm just gonna keep it regular here. And what we can do is, yeah, perfect. And so the shape of the footer now. Yeah, I mean, fine by me. Yeah, this one I don't like. Yeah, 45. Forgot to add. There's too much space here. Well, that's perfect. 16 for here. Yep. So the shape, I want to move it a little bit on here. Yep. Then yep. All right. Now we have it. So this is working. The blog, everything is working perfectly. So now moving on to the article page. What I'm gonna do with it. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video right now and come back. I just need to take a small pause, and yeah, I'll come back. All right, let's move on to the blog. We're going to transfer this design over to Framer, and we're gonna start by going to the page of the CMS, which is the blog directly. And we're just gonna try. I mean, we're going to do it. We're gonna transfer everything. So we have here the navbar. Go to asset, navbar, drag and drop it. I'm gonna do this like this. That will be fixed. And yeah, you know what? I'm gonna get back that 100 pixel from the top. And then we're going to add an image. Yeah, so that will be direction like this. No, this is messed up. Wait a sec. Yeah, add a stack, fill. So the post one max width 600. Let me just do 150 like this. And then there will be content wrap. You know what? No, just like title wrap. And then so we have title, date, name. So that's a stack like this. Center, start. You have to click here, justify left. Same for here. I'm just gonna change this to white. Can I? Yeah, this is a problem for me. It's like, yeah, perfect. Now I can do it. So that's white, and then the gray. What is the gray? So the gray is this one here. Perfect. Then what we're gonna do is just make it a little bit smaller, so that will be 30. I think 48 is good. Then change the format of the date. How can I change the format here? Oh, okay, perfect. That's pretty much how. March 28 long. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Then I'm gonna add another one. Okay, then I'm gonna add another one. Like if you are alone, you don't need like to have like another tag for who is the author. You just put your name. Was it like this? Oh, yeah, everything is in capital letter, so we're gonna style that here. So that will be Roboto bold. Perfect. Same here, Roboto bold. Oh no, that's just regular. And yeah, where can I do that? I have to, I don't get it. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Then letters just to add a spacing, and that will be 12. So I'm just gonna repeat the same thing, put that here. Yeah, wait a sec. And then I'm gonna add a stack, change direction, and then do fit content, that will be, yeah, there's a small problem here. Fit content, perfect. And then we can add like a small gap here, and then so let's say date in name stack, so that will be feed content, that will be, let me see here, let's say so yeah, one, and then the banner will be 0.75, no, 0.35, 35, okay, 0.4, sounds good. Or not, let's say 250 or 200. How much was it here? Was it 185? Okay, 185. 185. And then we have, was it a border here? No, no border. Radius 12. And then you're gonna add a shadow, white, 15. 12, perfect. And then, okay, so that's coming together. Fit content. I'm gonna do from the top 35, from the bottom 35, and then so yeah, the content here, body is white. Yeah, is it? Oh, that's the color. And then it's roboto. Okay, yeah, 18 is good. And then we have this here like this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is go to home page, take this one, come back here, just gonna pass it for now. Okay, and then remove this one, and then I'm gonna do is let's say plug content. I'm gonna add a wrap. Okay, so I'm gonna add this here. Perfect. So that will be 1, that will be 0.3. and then I'm gonna add 35, 45, 45. Let's see if that makes sense. No, let me give, you know what, 100 per se. And then can I add so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line, right? And then that will be fill. No, that will be fill. That will be 1 pixel. And that is, what is the color here? This one here. Perfect. That's perfect. And then we can actually give it 1. So that's 1. That's no, that's not working well. So 0.4. Let me see. Okay, so that would be like this. That's 16. And then we can add like another text here. So the cold era. And then that's white. That's bold. I'm just gonna justify to left, and that will be, has to be on the top. So the way we do that is start on here, and yeah, what I'm gonna do is, so that will be another stack together. I'm gonna add 25 gap, 55 gap, 16. Let's see. And then this one should be 1. Yeah, that's perfect. And then, yeah, that's 25. Perfect. And let's see this one. Okay, so let's give it 20, 35. 35 is good. Perfect. So now we have a decent layout that is like, that starts to give us something. We're gonna add the lights again here. Yeah, that's something important that I have to actually create. Oh, 1 second. So the way we're gonna do it is we're gonna divide the content in 3 parts. So yeah, basically for every 1,000 word ish, there will be a plug. So if the newsletter is 2,000 words, gonna be 2 plugs. So 1 every middle, like something like that. And the way we're gonna do that is going to CMS, edit field. So we have the content. So that will be duplicate. And so let's say content part 1, content part 2. All right. And so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add two, and then change that. Bruh, pissing me off. 2024. And then I'm gonna do save. So now we can go back to the blog, and we will have it. So before that, what we're gonna do is add a product card on here. Wait a sec. So yeah, that's Okay, so that's content, and that's content wrap, content container. That will be fill. It's not working. Oh yeah, okay. Understandable. There's something messed up here, so that will be fill fit content. Oh, okay. Let me fix that again. So we have wrap content. This one. Just call that separator. Separator. And then yeah, just gonna 0.5, and then we have it. So yeah, this is not actually working well, so because we have to just optimize this like this. Fill, and then this one just to right left, and it's supposed to be good now. Okay, no, really. What about now? Okay, I understand. $850. So if I do fit content, what's up? I understand. Yeah, that's not possible because we have this fill. And then what we're gonna do is basically I see. So the height has to be fit content. This one fit content as well. Is this, yeah, relative 100%? Let me see now. So there's this small problem that yeah, I understand. So what I'm gonna do is change the way that I distribute the padding. So you see here 75. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, and then I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna change that to fit content, and I'm gonna add 25. And then you know what, yeah, I don't need 20 here on the right nor the left. Just gonna add, yeah, 35 here, 35 here. So now let me see. Oh yeah, perfect. So yeah, actually I need 25 right, 25. Let me see now. Yeah, now makes sense. Perfect. I'm gonna leave it 18. All right. What I don't like to is, so that would be 25. Perfect. And then yeah, so the way that this could be fixed is by giving this fill. Okay, so if I change this to, yeah, 35%, how is that gonna change? Perfect. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is copy and paste this one, put it on the bottom, and then change to content 2. And yeah, now what we have to do in the h3, change that to white, roboto, bold, and we have it. So even that, let's say like 35. Now we're talking. So we have to prepare everything, and so we're gonna get the conditions. So let's say your newsletter is extremely like it's not long, so we can add conditions. And I forget how to do that. I know there's a way to do it. You just find it. Oh, it's perhaps directly on the CMS, I guess. Content. No, it's not here. Where is visibility? Paragraph, code override. There is no way to find it. Is it directly on CMS? Okay, got it. So it's visible. It's set. Is that? Let me see if there's. Okay. If we go to another one. Yeah, perfect. So that works perfectly. What's going on? This is not the one that I was doing. Okay, perfect. This is the one I was editing. Okay, next up, we can do. I mean, we can do another plug, but I'm all good with it. Like one plug is enough, but I have to create it in case that is necessary. Okay, so we're gonna create another plug. That is gonna have a condition that will be visible only if the content number 2 is set. Okay, so that it will just showcase with the other. And now, yeah, you guessed it right, we have to create another field which will be content part 3, and will be not just like small. And then you're gonna create this. Okay, and don't forget this is changeable, but I will just like focus on plugging my 2 main products throughout the entirety of my articles, which is a good way to increase opt-ins whatsoever without overwhelming your reader. All right, so this is part 3, so just get rid of this and then content part 3. Now we're good to go for this one here. Okay, so this will be the card where you include your entire digital product catalog, courses, whatever that you offer, services, and you change this by your own. So Figma to HTML, and then click here, past, and then we're gonna optimize everything. Okay, pretty much everything is already optimized, but yeah, this one is kind of messed up. $800. 800. Oh, I messed up. Messed up. This is all laziness again, because I could have just like have the picture, you know, ready, but I had like oh my god, man. All right, so this is fill, 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 fill. If I check here, that will be fill as well. Then this one is fit, but I can do fill as well. Alright, now we have it. Now what we're gonna do is plug again the blog on the bottom to keep the reader engaged if he wants to read more. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is go to the blog and add a category or a tag. So that will be just plain text, I guess, or options. Yeah, so tag, let's say entrepreneurship, philosophy, let's say content creation, let's add another one that will be I guess lifestyle design. Okay, that's pretty much it. And then if we go here, so that's one that will be entrepreneurship, that one will be entrepreneurship. So let's say this one is lifestyle design. But yeah, I guess if I want to have multiple tags, that wouldn't work. So yeah, that's kind of messed up in a sense with Framer, because I cannot like have multiple tags. But I mean, you don't need to have multiple tags at the end of the day. But I guess that's a feature that I want them to add. So yeah, that would be great. So now we have two entrepreneurship. Okay, we have this one and this one, and we're gonna use it for the example that we will plug a related letter. Okay, so we go into the home page, and I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be very before doing that though, I'm going to blog, I'm going here, and I'm just gonna add tablet, change that to mobile closed. All right, I can keep it that way for tablet, there's no big deal, to be fair. yeah, that's for mobile, I guess. Oh, it's why I'm not seeing the color. What the hell? Okay. So that will be mobile. And yeah, same thing for this mobile. Okay, we're good here. And yeah, this one is gonna change the layout, center. Do that here. Can do that a little bit bigger, I'd say. Let's say, yeah, I guess. We can add 20, 20, or not. Yeah, I guess that's fair enough. And I'm gonna add to, so you know what, that will be to the left 10, only 10, left 10, so it matches the alignment. And I'm gonna reduce here 10, so it just matches the 20, 21, the 20 pixels padding. Okay, so we have this here. What is going on here? So let me see what's going on. That's fill, that's working, that's not working, fill. Okay, so that's what's going on. I mean, I just don't have the time. I mean, the energy to get the right picture. But at the end of the day, you can just change it with yours for when the time is right for you to change everything. All right, so now we have to do mobile phone. And then this one is gonna be quite straightforward because we're just gonna change this to like this, and this one also I'm gonna change it to this, but this one is gonna change though to 1 pixel and to fill, so we have like the opposite. And yeah, I mean, this could be still good. We're gonna do here 20, 20. And this one could be 1. Now I can come back to this stub version, and you can see here, like I said, to add the blog. So what we're gonna do is come back to the home page, and we're just gonna steal the blog section. Come back to the blog. Check the layers, so it's gonna be on inside this here. Let me see. So there's so that's digital products card. I guess I need to add a Z index. which is higher than the one here. But I need to take this, I guess, and yeah, there's something I don't like, which is, yeah, okay. The entirety is the 2020, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Because we already have the paddings for the blog, okay? But there's one thing that I want to do though. It's because we see here there's a problem that I want to have enough space for my shadows to be visible. So I just add to the right 20, to the left 20, and now we have enough space for it, okay? I'm gonna do overflow visible, and I'm gonna paste my shapes here that we had before, but they were in the block section. And so this one, overflow visible, content overflow visible, see container overflow visible, wrap content overflow visible. Perfect. Now we have to change this to related letter, and then we're gonna add a filter. The filter will be filter. What are the filters? What the hell? Oh yeah, okay. So filter is choose. Wait a sec. If I don't want to, yeah. So collection blog. So I guess doesn't equal title. So yeah, that will sort it out. But also, what I want to add is, I cannot add another filter. Impossible. Oh yeah, okay. Tag equals entrepreneurship. Yeah, perfect. I mean, yeah, what we need to do is set tag, so that it takes the tag from the current blog post and it match it with the other one, okay? So related post, related letter, and then yeah, now it's repeating. So what we're gonna do is so this one, what are we gonna do is filter I'm thinking how I can title is okay. I guess that works because it doesn't show this again. So yeah, that works. I guess, wait a sec, because I really don't like the way that there's so much space here. What is going on, man? Yeah, okay. I guess that's it, because at the end of the day, yeah, you gotta have more here. Is that a tag for entrepreneurship though? Let me see. Oh, yeah, no. Related letter is only for this, and underneath it could be anything. Yeah, that's the point. And you know what? We're gonna add another one just for the sake of this. Copy. I mean, save image as. Alright, then I'm gonna create another CMS collection. I'm gonna put 27. Most people tag entrepreneurship, whatever. Then that will be 2024. Oh my god, 2024 0327. Or one. That's all what we need right now. Okay. Oh, that's messed up. Wait a sec. Yo. Okay, that makes sense. That's perfect. There's one thing that is bothering me, and why can I do that though? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. That is not that big of a deal. Now, what we have here? We have the same footer as the home page. So in here, we're gonna limit actually the CMS collection to limit. Perfect. Then is this I guess okay. Bro. So that is opt-in. Gonna add 12. Oh, that doesn't work. What I'm gonna do is $40, and then the opt-in is $40, and then I'm just gonna do overflow visible. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, I guess I was saying that I wanted to create a component for the footer, which is this and this, but yeah, that would be better, honestly. So yeah, let me try that. Footer, create. That's it. And then mobile. This is what pisses me off the most, though, is that I have to redo it again now. Yeah, that's my bad. I should have done it from the beginning. So yeah, just do 390 pixels, and then also pixel 300 pixels. Fill. What the hell? Yeah, okay. I remember. So that's 0 here, and that's 25, and then that's it. I'm gonna do 0. That's 35 from the top, 45 from the bottom, and then I'm gonna fix this again, Roboto. This is literally the thing that pisses me off the most here. So that's fit content, fill. Same thing for this. Then this is gonna be relative, and I'm gonna do fill for this. Yeah, that's pretty much completed. Roboto again. Bold. Fill. So funny. So I guess that's like I do fill, and then inside of it that will be fill as well, but with a max width of 800 pixels. So now we have, no, even that is not working properly. So let's see, 600 pixels. Then I just have to, why is not working though? Oh, yeah. I see. If I do one FR here, fill, that won't work though, right? Because that's, yeah, that's why though. Alright, got it. Fix that real quick. Roboto. Bold. That's yeah. This is what's pissing me off here is because this could have been just a picture, but I did a lot of things with the light and so on. So that's why though. Visible. Yeah, sounds good. But then this one though, what I would do is yeah, 35 from the bottom, 35 from the top. Set. Mobile. We're good. But this one, yeah, pissed me off hard. That will be desktop. So now we can just like take this, go back to the blog, layers. So that will be on desktop. Was it like this? Oh, okay, yeah, there's actually a small problem. What I needed to do was what the hell, bro? Yeah, block section. Take that bad boy, put it. Why all this madness? Bro, I just need to take the block section, put that out. So I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna put this here. Okay, good. Good. And then footer. So I guess I just need to add a container after. What the hell is this? Bro, I don't wanna. What the hell? Anyway, there's a small problem here. Yeah, I don't need this. Container visible. Perfect. And yeah, something that I wanted to do is to put that sticky. So is that gonna work though? Nope. So that's sticky, I guess. Not working. Everything needs to be visible for sticky to work. So post. That, yeah, oh my god, this is tedious. Everything has to be visible on the canvas, otherwise the sticky won't work. Let me just see. Not working. If your sticky is not working, there's something somewhere that is not. Oh my god. Somewhere there's something that it's overflow hitting and it's causing the the sticky container not working, and I have to find it. I have to find the culprit. Oh my god, you see what's happening here? Still not working, bruh. I found the culprit. Oh my god, it was the desktop. Like, desktop was unhidden. If we try here, it's not gonna work. And then set it to visible, and then it works. But then here we see that the problem is with the navigation bar, and I'm gonna fix that real quick. So what we're gonna do is add an effect that will be scroll transform. Is that it? Actually, let me see. On scroll. Yeah, normally that's it. Oh my god. One from this to this. Opacity 0. Transition. I'm not sure that's it. Is it scroll animation? Layering view. Okay, got it. So scroll animation trigger on scroll, direction down. So when we're going down, and then the effect is going from 1 to 0, and I'm just gonna like this, opacity 0, and then replay. Yes, that's preset is good, so let's try that out. Okay, so this, we're gonna fix it now. We're gonna add so basically I'm just gonna add top here 30 pixels. That should fix it. Yeah, that's perfect. Then now we have it, and then when we arrive at the bottom, and also notice that when we scroll back up, the navbar is coming back, but there's a small problem though. Let me fix that. Yeah, okay. It's just lagging. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So there's a small problem here as well. What's going on here? Oh, that's outside of frame. What is going on, bro? Uh, I mean, the entire post here, I'm just gonna add z index. And I'm gonna put that to 5. And that should do it. Perfect. So let's check out the, oh my goodness, okay, now going to the mobile. That will be 32. And then I'm gonna remove 0 from here, 0 from here. And then, so that will be 10 on the left, 10 on the right. Okay, and then I'm gonna just reduce that a little bit here. That will be 220. And now we have the subtle plugs in the middle of our articles. And yeah, this is kind of, I won't say messed up. It's kind of good, to be fair, because I want to have the icons. So that's pretty much good, yeah. Oh my goodness, what the hell is this? All right, so yeah. Extremely messed up. So 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Sounds good. Yeah, we are seeing this because of, yeah, okay, I understand. It's because the overflow of the, oh shit, bro. I messed up. Okay. Yeah, the overflow of the desktop, the canvas is set to visible, and so now we are seeing all of, all of those here surpassing, transpassing, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna space those out. And that's good. And also what I'm gonna do is here on the right, so wrap content, I'm just gonna add padding on the right of 20 for this. And let's check that back up. So I'm gonna slightly reduce this to 60. And then you have the title wrap. So that will be, yeah, I'm gonna remove that too. So now we have equivalent spacing between everything. Also, we are seeing this kind of mismatch. Is it a mismatch though? No, it's perfect though. Okay. Yeah, there's a mismatch. So I'm seeing 10 on the left. That's why. Okay, now we can say 20, 20. Now everything looks neat. All right. Yeah, don't care about that. So if we go now to see everything, everything looks neat. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, good to go. Good to go, good to go, my friends. Now we are moving to, this one is so easy, by the way. The blog page, all letters, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, okay? So simple. Copy paste the home page, remove everything else, and you have the blog page. So, in action, that will look like this. So I'm gonna take, basically I'm gonna just copy this one. All right, can I copy everything? Okay, yeah, I can. And I go to blog, and then you see that here, I remove it, and then I paste. All right, and then what we're gonna do is remove everything. Second section, remove. Course card, remove. Product card, remove. Product card, remove. And then, yeah, this is gonna be removed too. Remove. Oh, yeah, forgot something though. Forgot something important. Important. Page, blog. Is that so? Lights. Let me see how that looks on here. Yeah. Looks good. What I want to do is I want to add a small border on the bottom. So that will be 001, and that will be, yeah, like this. Let me see how that looks like. Oh, that's perfect. If we do that, terrific. Okay, let's go back to the blog page here. Okay. I mean, everything seems good to me. The page is already done. Next one is resources. So resources, so easy. What I'm gonna do again is just like duplicate the homepage, call it resources, and then I'm going to get rid of the last section, which is the blog section, and that's pretty much it. All right, so letters that it was going to the blog, and then what we're gonna do here, change this for right. You know what? That's problematic, so I'm gonna remove that though. And I'm gonna add a stack. It will be nav link. And then I'm gonna copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Then I'm gonna take this, do that, remove, do that, remove, do that, remove. Alright, so letters, it's the blog. Resources is resources. Work with me, whatever. About me. Let me get to that in a second. Yeah, forgot. Oh yeah, I understand. Actually, it was messed up. Messed up again. Let me see. Let me see. One sec. If I do that, letters and then add link, that would be blog. Yeah, okay. Hover over, it's the same color as this one. And oh, default is not that. Default is white though. Current is this. So if we go to, yeah, resources, so that's how it's supposed to be. Default, no, default is not that though. Default, yeah, okay, perfect. So resources, what's up? We're not on resources. Oh, okay, new update of Framer, I like it. They don't let you add a link. Are we on resources? What is this page here? Resources. Okay, so it's not working properly. Because it's supposed to be current. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's working. Perfect. So yeah, actually it was. I mean, I don't need that. I don't need the wrapper. So we have everything. The spacing here is kind of messed up. And then yeah, okay, sounds good. That's not good though. What is going on here? Container, yeah, max width of, oh, we don't need max width. I just need to add fill. Why that is not working? How was it on the homepage? Yeah, even on the homepage is messed up. Damn, I missed it. plugin relative. Let me see if that will work. Okay, nope, yeah, not yet. So that's relative. That's relative to. Okay. Yeah, this is pissing me off right now because I should have just taken a picture, basically, and I guess that's what I'm gonna do here because it's just like waste of time. So let me actually do that. That will be right aligned. I will just go underneath it, and then we're gonna give on the left 25. Yeah, that's good, and that's good. And so right aligned. The art focus by Danko. Kinda lazy right now to type that on my own, bro. So yeah, get the book. And what I'm gonna do, art of focus. It is supposed to be simple like this, alright? Supposed to be simple like this instead of overcomplicating everything. Visible 850, and do the same thing for this, so that will be 850 pixel. Get that right feeling. Alright, then just gonna change this here, fill. Alright, so that will be mobile, fill, and everything back to normal. So we go to blog, resources, can just actually take it back from here, come back here, then delete this one. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have everything now. The only thing that is left is the about me page. You know, I'm lazy. I'm lazy as hell. So I'm just gonna duplicate this. about, and then we're gonna delete everything that is not necessary for us. So we don't need the hero, we don't need this, we don't need this. And you know what, actually I want to leave the product on the above it. You know, yeah, that's good. No, we're good, we're good. So this is auto layout, and this one auto layout too. So then we can go here, copied, and then pass this here. So that will be hero section. Put it down here, or just underneath that. Hero wrap, and we add style Z index. All right, then so yeah, I'm gonna add a padding. 25. Then the last one here, so that's pretty much it. And that is directly on here, so hero wrap, let's call this about section, and that's social media. Second call. We have to optimize it. So fill, everything fill. I'm gonna change that to this. And then this one to fill as well. Fill. I just need to change that here, Roboto. This one too. When you do changes, always do them directly on the desktop, so it can just the tablet and phone size will inherit from the desktop instead of, because if you do it on tablet and phone, you have to do it again for desktop. So that's kind of pisses me off, to be fair. So that's why I would just do it like that. Fit content. So yeah, for this one that will be fill, and we can add 20 overall, and that will do it. Yeah, that's good. We're good to go. Then we can add link, about, resource, we got it, letters, we got it too. Free Explorer, let's see. Now this is kind of messed up. So the way I'm gonna fix this is by Oh, yeah, messed up. Um, mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that from here. So remove that, and then I'm gonna add a stack inside of it. I'm gonna call it container, and that will be fill. Same thing, and then add the way that it was here. So 103 pixels. Normally, it will work. Oh no, not even. Oh yeah, yeah. Wait a sec though. Oh yeah, that's no, that's supposed to work though. That's supposed to work. What is going on here? Wait a sec. Container. Yeah, that's messed up. I have to fix it. So, container. So this is not working. Why? Oh, okay. So we have, yeah, that's basically it. And container fit content. Okay, so does that actually change something? Did it change something? Oh yeah, so that's why, is it? If I do 100%. Okay. Yeah, so that will be center. That's gonna work normally. Now, is it? Yes, so now we have. Oh my goodness. Now what? This is supposed to work. Container of the footer. Stack, centered. Everything is centered. So why is it pissing me off though? Something is broken. Is it with every page? Yeah, it's with every page. If I do fill and then everything is centered here, max width, so that will be fit content, max width, and then if I do here fill, yeah, that's messed up. What is going on? If I remove that and then I go back here, then that's it. Okay, that is the problem here. Got it. So the problem is centered. Container is centered also. The footer. So I guess what I'm gonna do is take this shape here, remove it, and then gonna have it here, and it's not gonna move. If I do that, oh yeah, it's moving, bruh. Why this shape is not moving and this shape is moving? Okay, if I take the shape and I do this like this here, put it to 0, 0. And you know, learning this way with mistakes is the best way to learn, by the way. Just saying here. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, that's why. Do that on top, bro. Container, shape. I need to move you around. Okay, let me see. Oh, now is that so? Even this one is moving around. Oh my goodness, bro. Yeah, this is outrageous. Shape. Okay, I guess if I log the ratio, what's going to happen now? It was working! Yo. It's not moving right now. I don't understand. I swear to God, I don't understand. Like, what's the difference between this and the other that is like moving around, playing with me? Wait a sec. So that will be relative 100%. Now this is gonna work for us perfectly. Yeah, this one is pissing me off hard. So let me see if I log the ratio. Will that do something? Nope. If I create a stack and I put it inside of it, and then the stack is relative. Doesn't work that well, because that will become the same thing as if I'm changing it in the footer, right? back. Oh my god, bro. Insane. This one doesn't move, and this one is driving me insane. All right, so oh my god, man, this is pisses me off hard to not find a solution. I mean, couldn't be that complicated. If I do relative 100%, is that so? Okay. What's up? Messed up. Messed up. Doesn't want to stay still, eh? That's insane. That's just insane. If I do later, no. Oh, would it be possible? Okay. Oh, is that so? Is that so? I don't know what happened, but now it's moving. It's not moving around. If I do. Oh, I think I understand. It has to have the same value from left to right. Let me see is if my hypothesis is correct. Yeah. When it's the same minus 30, so it's basically automatic. It works perfectly. So now I understand. Now we're talking. Okay, perfect. So if I do minus 10, okay, yeah. It's supposed to work. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is going on? What is going on, bro? It's destined to make me like. What the hell, bro? Okay, but I don't get it. Why? So now this is not moving around. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I'm losing. Like I lost like how much? Like 30 minutes trying to fix this bullshit. And if I go, yeah, it doesn't change. What's up now? Oh my god. Oh my god. 0-0, bro. I think what I'm gonna do is take the shape again, try something like what I did before. Get rid of this bullshit. Okay. And then yeah, okay, thank you. I'm gonna stay like this. You're gonna stay like this. Finish, you finish. Damn, bruv. Gonna take the lights. I'm gonna add them to the footer as well. And you know, you have to flip them around. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh my god, this is... No. Nah, I don't like it. I'm gonna get out of this container. I don't need you, bro. I can do my own. That's 10. Yeah, that's good. We can move the shape. That's okay. That's okay. Well, what is going on with the footer? Oh. So there's gonna be mobile here. That's it. Simple. You know what? I like it. When I cannot do something, I like it. Oh my god, man. 60. So let's do a quick recap here. So that's the homepage. Let me add something that I forgot to do, which is... Oh, is that so? Okay, yeah, it's working already. So if we go to letters, we are on letters. If we do read the letter, we can read the letter. Amazing. If we go to resources, we have the resources. And on the navigation bar, that move back up only on the blog. I think that's a better way to do it. Otherwise, we don't really need, because we want it to be accessible. And so, yeah, this website is going to be templatized. So by the time you watch the video, the first link on the description is going to be the link to buy the template directly, and I'm going to give you a coupon code, discount code 25% from the video. So it's Framer with me, Framer W me, to get your discount code. And you can use this template. You won't contain the 2-hour writer. All of that stuff is going to be kind of lorem ipsum everywhere. I'm going to use it for my own website as well. And so, yeah, if you have a blog, if you have digital products, if you want to have something similar to this, you saw the use cases. You can add your own digital products. You can add your newsletter repurposed as a blog post. You can grab emails. This will be fully functional. And yeah, you can plug pretty much everything that you want. But yeah, slick design, easy peasy. Took me still 3 hours and a half to do all of that stuff, and you can get it for, I don't want to say the price because perhaps I can increase it, and I don't want to say any price in the video because it's going to be evergreen. Yeah, I'm doing my smart ass here, but you will still get the 25% evergreen whenever you're watching this, whether it's 2024, 2026, 2028. This template is still functional. It will be still good for you. But don't forget though, one important thing is all about the subtle plugs of your products everywhere. So while someone is reading your blog, you can plug your products, and then yeah, more sales without harassing your readers. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions, just drop them down in the description. Also, another point though, if you want to practice, this Figma file is going to be available for $5. And you say like, yo, why don't you give it for free? Bro, if you don't want to spend $5 to get a design that took me like 3 hours to make, total all of this took me 6 hours. So yeah, it's worth $5 for sure, even more than that. Anyway, $5 to get homepage, letter, all letters, resources page, all of that stuff here, and you can use it to practice, to develop it on Framer the way that I did it in the video. It took me 3 hours, but still a lot of mistakes that I made. Hopefully you learned from them as well, and I'll see you on the next video.